Today, we're going to make some barbecue stew chicken. Yeah, you ever had some leftover barbecue chicken and you don't know what to do with it? Well, I had a ton of leftover barbecue chicken. So I decided to cut up some onions, hot peppers, and sweet peppers. We're going to go ahead and start caramelizing our sugar. Once it gets that nice golden brown, we're going to go ahead and add our barbecue chicken. Now we're going to turn the chicken to make sure each piece of chicken gets coated in that caramelized sugar. Then we're going to add some garlic. Then we're going to go add some green seasoning and toss in our veggies with our hot peppers, and we're going to mix that up together. Now this ultimately is a really quick cook. We're going to add a little bit of water so we can get a little bit of gravy. Add a touch of ketchup to add a little bit of thickness. Now we're going to turn the pot one more time so all that ketchup and all those flavors get incorporated. We're going to put the lid on, let that sauce thicken up a little bit. We're going to add a little bit of green onions towards the end. And remember, the chicken's already cooked, so we're not really cooking this for long. We're just actually building the sauce and the flavors. We're going to add a little bit of soy sauce just to finish it off. And there you have it, barbecue stew chicken. Super simple, super easy.